What's up, beautiful souls? Welcome back to Rabia Unfolded. Today, I'm making one of my favorite Valentine's treats chocolate dipped strawberries, made with love and a little extra care. I wanted this to feel simple, cozy, and special. So I started by setting everything right in front of me fresh strawberries, and rich chocolate melts are placed in these beautiful heart shaped bowls to bring everything all together. The first step is always making sure the strawberries are really clean. I rinse them well, added a little apple cider vinegar, and let them sit for about a minute. And then gave them one final rinse. Please make sure you're rinsing your strawberries nice and clean here because strawberries always have some insects in them. And you don't want to use those, right? So please take your time in the step. Then I lay them out on a paper towel, checking each one carefully before placing them on a paper towel, making sure they're nice and clean. Then I gently patted them dry. This step matters a lot, beautiful souls. The strawberries need to be completely dry so the chocolate sticks perfectly. I popped them into the refrigerator for just a few minutes to make sure they were fully dry while I moved on to the chocolates. I melted my semi-sweet and white chocolate melt in short intervals. Stirring every 20 seconds until smooth.
From my kitchen to your screen, little moments in between. Love is in the things I do. Every flavor tells the truth. From Cameroon roots so deep to the life I
Once melted, I added a little coconut oil and vanilla extract,
this is life.
just enough to make the chocolate glossy and silky.
Rabia unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite, global flavor, real life. Heavy unfolding, simple moments fully shown. From my hands to your heart, welcome home. Rabia unfolded, welcome home. Welcome home. Rabia unfolded. Where African warmth meets global flavor.
For the white chocolate, I added 2 toothpicks of pink gel food coloring, and it turned into the prettiest soft baby pink ever. Next, I added toothpicks to the strawberries and grouped them by sizes. This makes dipping easy and keeps everything looking neat and uniform. I started dipping the strawberries into the semi-sweet chocolate.
From my kitchen to your screen, little moments in between.
Letting the excess drip off and leaving just a bit of the red strawberries showing at the bottom.
Love is in the things I do. Every flavor tells the truth. From Cameroon roots so deep to the life I get to keep. Every story gently told. This is life, this is home. Rabia Unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite. Global flavor, real life, heady unfolding. Simple moments fully shown. From my hands to your heart.
See how beautiful they're coming through, beautiful souls. I never waste chocolate, so I poured the extra into my heart-shaped molds. Some plain and some with sprinkles, and placed them into the fridge to set.
Welcome home.
Then I moved on to the pink chocolate and dipped the remaining strawberries, laying them gently on the tray. At this point, beautiful souls, everything was already looking so beautiful. I added a simple drizzle using a piping bag. Nothing perfect, beautiful souls, as I'm not very good at this. Just enough to give each strawberry its own personality. This is really about the thought behind it. You don't need to overdo it, beautiful souls. Taking a little time to make something by hand already makes it special.
Welcome home. Rabia Unfolded.
Of course, I had to taste one. And it was so good, beautiful souls. The chocolate was smooth, rich, and perfectly balanced with the strawberries.
Where African warmth meets global flavor.
To top it up, beautiful souls, I placed the heart-shaped chocolates into this beautiful looking heart-shaped gift box with a golden bow on it.
Where African warmth meets global flavor.
It makes such a sweet extra gift for Valentine's Day. And that's it, beautiful souls. It's simple, homemade, and made with love. If you enjoy easy desserts like this, search Rabia Unfolded on YouTube for more cozy recipes and sweet ideas. Thank you so very much for watching. Wishing you and your loved ones a very happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.